Hi guys, I'm again Claire Maguire, afraid of Claire Maguire, and I'm telling you, if people just watch movie Devil 2010, don't watch it. Please, don't. Because it's not good for your health. Don't listen to them, what they say. If they say good, don't watch it. They're not right. Yeah, better go listen Primitives, Claire Maguire, yeah, but don't watch it. Don't. Just don't. Because the movie Devil is not good. It's not good for anybody. No, don't watch it. Just don't. Don't watch movie Devil. And this guy who created that movie, and Shyamalan, he's dangerous. He's not nice person. Yeah, he can. You know what I mean. Because he went from India to United States and he scared people. Yeah, it's even worse than September 11. So 2001. So don't watch it, please. By the way, don't watch any of his movies. Even you think it's comedy, funny, don't watch it. Yeah. When the last Airbender, something, or Sixth Sense, people talking, any of these movies. Just keep your body away from that guy. Yeah. So if you will see Philadelphia streets of Philadelphia, because he had no right to conduct the United States from India and create this Scully movie. Yeah. So it's just not right. Yeah. So and Comcast Center. Yeah. Because he didn't do right job. Yeah. So this movie Devil, in Lithuanian called Shaitanus, is way too dangerous and way too scary and way breaking your health. Yeah. So don't watch it. Don't. People who are watching that movie doesn't know what it all means. Yeah. So like it was claustrophobic. And after this movie, you no longer will be safe to drive elevator. Yeah, you will be afraid if you will need to go and use elevator. You cannot always use stairs because stairs is just too high. You need too much muscles to put the stairs. But elevator, you will be afraid of elevator. At least you can enjoy ride on elevator. Yeah. Many people use these elevators. And in really tall buildings, if you want to see top of the world, you have to use elevator. You have to go on elevator. So, and if you will be afraid of elevator, then you won't be able to ride on elevator, and you won't be able to go on top of the world, except of like this propeller, but it's loud, yeah, around plane, but elevator, no. It's just not claustrophobic, it can crash, like in movie Devil, Shaitanus or Diablo in Spanish. You can crash with elevator, not with plane, but crash that elevator, yeah. In movie Devil, it's a lot of worse, so it just will give you claustrophobia or phobia to ride elevator, so don't. Because you need something to ride elevator, and I really understand. And people who watch this movie Devil, they don't no longer want to go on elevator, so they rather take stairs. And you know what happens if you take stairs to 100th floor? You get tired, and you even can die. You no longer can breathe, so just I remind you, don't watch movie Devil. If you haven't seen yet, don't watch it. Yeah. So, be the lucky one. Better listen Claire Maguire, Shield and Sword music video, or like Primitives, Turn on the Moon. It's way more too relaxing than to watch movie Devil. I know Scully popular, and in Lithuanian even popular, but you don't watch it. Yeah, don't. Because it's breaking your health. If you want to stay young and healthy, don't watch it. Yeah, because the reason, if you will watch, you will definitely can get even heart attack. And people what says is not right. Don't go to India. Don't watch movie Devil. Yeah, he should create Indian movie in India, but not in United States. We need to get rid of the guy in the United States and bring him back to India where he belongs. Only one place where he belongs is India, where he was born. Yeah, Madhya Pradesh, India. That's where he belongs, but not in US, not in Philadelphia. Yeah, because now I can go to Philadelphia. Yeah, because this guy can stuck more people in the elevator than you can die. You can. He should make movie about Indian elevator, or not about Canadian or American elevator, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. He should really go create movie about elevator in India, because elevator in India is like it's his choice. Yeah, if he run away from India, he has to stay quiet, but he's not so. Yeah, that's his problem. Yeah, so to ride elevator in India or don't go on elevator. It's like choose between go on elevator or don't go on elevator. Because you can get stuck any time in elevator. Usually elevator stuck very rarely times, but sometimes it does, and better don't. And some people who are claustrophobic, they might not get out. So, and this person, Indian person, and Shyamalan, Manon Eliato Shyamalan, he just plays with people's fears about getting stuck on elevator. Yeah, he just makes fun of claustrophobic. He does really not nice job. Yeah, especially to me. So it's kind of like not nice. It's mean. Yeah. So it's just not good. Yeah. So better listen Claire Maguire, Shield and Sword, wherever. Or, this kind of like relaxing after thinking about these things. So just, it's kind of like way too much. Yeah, way too much. Yeah. What he did is way too much. Yeah. So, and he scared me to death. Ah, yeah, what he did. So he did way too much to me. And I'm stuck in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, so that's the reason what he did to me. So Claire Maguire songs are very easily about love, and you can easily relax after movie Devil, of course. I don't recommend to see movie Devil. I don't, yeah, because it's way too much. Yeah, way too much of M. Night Shyamalan. Shyamalan or something, he's so bad. Yeah, maybe he got stuck in elevator, yeah, and almost died. I cannot say he died because he's alive, but maybe almost died, yeah. So, another guy was stuck in elevator in dark, Geoffrey Arendt, yeah, so. Remember he talked another account about movie Devil, but now it's start fresh and new. Devil, it's so fresh and new. Because the devil inside. Devil builds inside, devil builds inside. And it's devil's job to get you stuck on elevator and die. Yes, so maybe he's devil. Actually, that woman was devil. That is part of my devilness. So, okay guys, bye for now. Listen, Primitives, Claire Maguire, see you later. Bye.